effect on who makes it into the final. On ground 2, looks like Charlie Hines is opening the bowling for South Kanto. This time, bowled and gone. Aokai trying to pull start here for South Kanto. Pick up the middle and off. He himself slipped. This has been cut and it beats cover and will go all the way for 4 runs. Great shot in the mountain end. Comes in, chance here, it's gone straight up. Singh will call it himself and take the catch comfortably.
Yeah, just not short enough for that shot in the back foot. It's a bit pulled.
Skews in, just clears. Runs away for 4 runs. But he cuts, and he cuts late, and is it good enough to make 4? It is. Over mid-off for 4 runs. Fielder's attacking the ball. Late plays out and dissects the gap. Lovely shot. Ball toss and walloped by Lachlan Yamamoto Lake for 6 runs. As did I. Thought turned into a good over for West Kanto.
Look on the replay, I almost tossed it up to the moon.
PL. Chance. Taken. Long off. It is Alistair Fleming. And then to take the comfortable catch. Yamamoto Lake using his feet. Hits it. Hasn't made it all the way. Fielder coming round. Dropped. Put down. And that could be costly. To be aggressive here against Fujiwara. That's another chance, and no, this time he clears Gurmar Singh for 6 runs. Good shot.
Took him down last over, he's just taking him down again. Make up to 48 from 36. Really put the foot down in the last 3 overs.
And Fujihara will get this to a single, and again into the over, another quick one. All overthrow, just a bit lackadaisical there, and well, West Kanto pick up another much needed run. Long on, deep mid wicket. Reverse sweep comes out and bowl. Got to be onside, covered with a lot of fielders, so late looking to go deep square. Ball doesn't get high as much as Kimura had accepted a direct hit, and given confusion between the 2 batters. Gee, I actually thought he'd made it home, shot goal, but caught short. Goes to pull, ball ends up going nowhere, and direct hit out. Can they find it? Kalia goes for it, and it looks good. It's over. 6 runs, good shot. In line of the fielder out Gurmar Singh's outstretched hands. It had cleared the fielder for a good maximum 6. On strike. This time he goes, wallops it over. 6 runs, great shot.
Hitting.
Almost in the support role of Yamamoto Lake, just turning the strike over, but since his wicket. And direct shot and hit. And speaking of the talented field, Mani Kalia, just looking on the replay, picks it up. You wondered if the shy was on, given that it was the last ball, but with confidence he just throws the stumps down and quickly take you through the scorecard. First ball of the chase, and just defended. Driven.
Through the field, through the thunder, through the lake, and the back and forth.
Chance for a catch, and taken. The first wicket falls, and not a very good one.
JPL replay. Chicky bowling very tight on the stumps. Need a bit of a release there, the Super Kings.
Sorry, no, it's shot. 4 runs. and skill rubbing off the best of the local players here. This will be 4 runs. Chance. Oh.
That's 4.
Great shot.
Over pitch. I didn't get a chance to ask him about that last night. Over Chandler smashed it over cover. That'll go for 4.
All of these boulders will be brand new to him. Just pushes down to long off for a single. Leaving 1. Shot. 4 runs. The opportunity presents itself. This will be 6 runs. No opportunity here. Great shot there.
To the JPL replay. And Chandler is too strong. To the pitch of the ball. Toss. That'll be 4.
Ishi Ayukai.
It's in the air.
Chance fielder coming round and drops.
A bit short leg side.
And they finish these overs well. Snare a wicket. Will Ravi Chandran just continue his show? And there's the 50 for Sabarish. Will it be another tournament win for him? He just continues to deliver for his team. A wonderful 50 brought up with a shot over the cover. And in on his 3rd over. And he's got him! Bowled him! Put this through the JPL replay.
Through, just nice and straight.
Probably looking to be aggressive.
A chance running on.
Lachlan, Yamamoto Lake.
Have a look at the JPL replay. Really chaos with a non-striker. Drop catch, run out close. Bit of a collision. Big hit. Out! Woohoo! Here we go.
For South Canto. And he wallops one for 6. No, sorry. Yes. Okay, coming in from the score end. Shortish and pulled for 4 runs. Okay, comes in and it's a wide again, and it's almost a sad finish to the game. As South Canto, they won't be sad. It's the South Canto Super Kings who inject themselves into the final. The run rate was just over 6 needed. Well, it was Sabarish Ravichandran's 53. Canto Sunrisers finished top of the table. 4 games, 3 wins, 1 tie, 7 points.